Wow, that's crazy. I just got edged out. I was literally right there. Wow.
Order filled.
I kind of want to say shorts here, but um, looks like we're bullish, so I might have to just long it instead. We're still inside the city, but I think we might disrespect it. So I might long here. If it engulfs this candle, I might just long. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna enter here. Let's see. Yeah. I'm trying to wait a bit. It looks like it wants to go higher, so I'm so
Order
long.
filled.
Stop loss 26 points. TP about 30 points. I might move it because the fees and stuff, but I don't know. 30 seems fine for now. The only problem here I see is like ES. ES is like it's turtle souping this higher here, which you guys can't see, but that's the only problem about it. But it looks pretty bullish. We have the new week opening gap above, so I'm just gonna trust it. We're really close to TP. It's gonna hit though. I feel like I might get edged here. I don't know. I feel like we just went up so much. This is what I hate, when we just like go up like a lot and then we just start slowing down like that. Those are the worst things, because it's like, although it's like a nice feeling, it's just, you know, you just want your TP to be right away because it's obviously just keeps going in your direction. But then once it starts slowing down, it's like you keep questioning yourself if it's gonna hit TP or not, or if it's gonna like reverse. I hate these trades, man. Fuck. It's like when you're just getting edged out. Like I'm just like literally right there, and I think this trade is gonna reverse because ES is already putting bearish SMT from the highs, and we ran up so much already that I don't even think we're gonna go higher if we just are hesitating here. Yeah, I just gotta wait. I just gotta trust it, and if I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. I'm not exiting trades anymore. I'm not like just breaking even or whatever. This honestly looks like shorts right now. That looks really good for shorts, but not for longs.
Order filled.
As you guys saw, I just got edged out, unfortunately. Rough day. But you know, it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. But I don't really care anymore. Like, obviously, losing is part of the game, and I'm just trying to learn from my mistakes. Because obviously, my timing was wrong. My timing was a little off, and that's what happens when your execution is not as good. Although I felt like this setup was like super A plus. Yeah, my TP got edged because I entered up here, and unfortunately, I got edged out by like I think 7 points, I believe. So I was like right here, stop loss, 26 points like this. Okay, whatever it is, and then TP right here. So about 7 points. So what happened? Pretty much what I saw was around this high right here, after this high right here. This high, that's when ES souped out this high right here. So that's turtle soup. We have bearish SMT through this high through this high right here. So we have bearish SMT right here. So I understand this, and I understand that we could just like fall. We could just fall down. Okay, what the hell is this falling right here? Alright, whatever. That's some crazy volume. But I understand that this could bring down the market, but with this setup, it's telling me that we want to long right now. So that's why I longed, and honestly just pretty much ignored this. I was like, I still like the setup. I'm just like, ignore this. So that's what I did. And when Nasdaq kept pumping up, I was like, okay, this is looking good. But I just knew that when it slowed down, I was like, I'm gonna lose this trade because we have bearish SMT. It's still holding, and we're probably gonna have some reversal soon. But I wasn't really expecting to go all the way down here, but the trade just looked like it was gonna do that because we just like went straight up. And if I did not get TP, I'm probably gonna lose the trade. But I told myself that I can't exit my trade because I kept doing that in the past, and I'm hesitating. So if I like a setup, I'm just gonna enter it, and if I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. So that's what I'm doing now, and only one trade a day, no matter what. Because I say one trade a day, but if I exit for break even and I enter a trade again, it's technically 2 trades. But although it's like I'm not losing or winning anymore, I just have that in my mind where I can just exit trade whenever I want and then just enter again. But then I might just take unquality setups because of that. I think the setup was still good, but I don't know. Like I could have entered here honestly, but I want to wait for more confirmation. I want to get like above this high, but I guess I entered in too long and I should have known that. I could start entering off candle closures. I thought of that too, but I just didn't enter on this one. So I might think of that, and I would have literally got TP if I put 30 points like this. But if I got a bad fill, I could potentially get edged out by like 1 tick or something, which that could have been like really shit. But I'm probably gonna start entering on candle closures on some of the trades, or I either just enter like this. But I don't know. I guess that makes sense, but I don't know, because I don't think we're gonna go all the way back down here. But still, this is a little bit too little confirmation for me. So I don't know, because we have this bearish SMT right here. If I drew it out, it'll be look like this and that. So we are disrespecting that bearish SMT, and we're just going up higher. But I guess I want to see a bit more. Like even if I enter off like this, we break off this high and I enter off. But I didn't do that, so I don't know, to be honest. It is unfortunate because it's like literally a couple points. If I enter off here or here, then like I don't know if I would have got TP. So really sucks. I'm gonna break down this trade because I don't think you guys even understand this. So I'm gonna remove all of this right here, or just at least these things right here. Yeah, remove this, whatever. There was a trade here earlier, but I faded that trade. So I go to 15-minute charts right here, and what happens was that we just had this new week opening gap right here on the day. Right now today's Monday, and we did sweep out all-time highs from back then. So this is the high for Nasdaq, and we already swept it on ES like on Friday. Yeah, so we swept it right here, and there's no really reason for us to go any higher. So I guess that means we're bearish, and the first trade could have been very valid, but I just didn't take it. I just thought we wanted to long, and I wanted to wait for more confirmation because new week opening gap up here, but I guess we don't want to take it right now. So what happens, we had bearish SMT in the morning, because we had this high right here, which is ES high right here, but we already took it out, and we're not really delivering off of it. But when Nasdaq takes it out, that's when we start delivering. We have this re-super here on ES, and then we start delivering lower. So this was a pretty good trade, but I just wanted to see more confirmation, but it did end up working really well. I don't know. So since I faded that trade, we start going lower. We got a bullish SMT from here, this lower here, and it's right here, bullish SMT. ES still is over here, so we probably need like a stop rate for us to just deliver higher, but we don't actually like take anything out other than we re-soup this lower here, and then we start going higher. So like I said, I have this lower here, and I want to see a re-soup of this low. So it goes like this, re-soup of this low, and then we start going up higher, or we can start delivering higher. But I see this SIBI right here that we're not delivering off of it, so I don't want to long into that. So I'm just thinking that we're actually bearish for now. So I drilled this line right here. This is my turtle soup line. I want to see it re-soup this low, and then if it starts going up higher and then starts disrespecting, I'm going to short. But we actually end up starting going higher. So I'm like, okay, damn, maybe we want to actually go higher. We go up to this SIBI right here. We respect it, and then we had bearish SMT as well. We started going lower. We disrespect it. That's when I took my long right there. And that's pretty much the trade right here. But unfortunately, I got edged out. But I still think it's like such a A+ trade. But my execution was just really, I don't know. Maybe I was because I'm just waiting for too much confirmation, and that's why I lost that trade. That's why I only usually target 30 points. But it really depends on each setup. I was just like super. I just got edged out bad, man. Like, although it wasn't like this close, but yeah, it's my execution. So I just probably just gotta work on this, like either enter off candle closures, because normally I don't like entering off of this candle closure because like I want to see it close and then maybe have a rebalance like this and then start longing. So I could enter off like right here on this candle like this, but I don't know. I still got edged out. So either candle closures on this type of setup, or I enter off a rebalance on this one, and then once it starts going up higher, I might long it. But then if I do that, I might just enter off like right here because I'm like still waiting for too much confirmation. And then I put my stop loss above this, I'm below this displacement candle, then my TP is still gonna be like 30 points. So it's still gonna be similar if I enter off there. I don't know, I had to play around with it. There's also always different setups. So I might have to enter off like right here. And then I would have got TP. So that was my trading day. I did lose, let me see. Yeah, so I did lose $270. Sucks. Started the day off, or started the month, or started the week off. Obviously I lost, so it's not the greatest. Still a really good read. It's just execution, and I'm so happy about the trade because I'm still getting better every single day and like learning my narrative, learning signatures. And I was just off like a tiny bit. I wasn't off on my narrative. I wasn't off like because I did some stupid trade. I was off because, you know, I was just a little late. It was just very unlucky, and I'm learning from it. So still okay with the progress, but still that's unfortunate. So that's the trading day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And what I like to say in every single video, how you do one thing is how you do everything. Keep staying disciplined, keep staying consistent, and let's just get 1% better every day. And I'll see you in the next one.